Hi, Pico Side. Thank you. Pico Side, can you like the live? Hello sa two viewers. Hi po. You're always like that, Pico Side. Hi nako. I can't live. For how many days? Kasi nga, na-miss ko talagang mag-live. 3 viewers! Hello po. Three viewers. Hello. Why are you smiling? Why are you smiling, Pico Side? Two viewers. Because kuan, ang OA ha, Pico Side, ang OA. What is kuan? Oh, viewers. It's so hot in here right now. So hot. Super init, Pico Side. I don't know why, but Filipino say ho, kuan all the time. Kuan is the expression of Bisaya, Pico Side. Bisaya expression ba kuan? Like kuan. I cannot explain it in English, Pico Side, but kuan, I don't know. I cannot explain. But like an expression to the Bisaya ba? Not in Filipino ha, Bisaya. Kuan is Bisaya, not Tagalog. One viewer. Sabang? Wala na pang? Abrihin lang pang, abrihin lang na. Wala na. Hello, one viewer. Langga mamang bi. Langga mamang bi. Langga ba? Sige. It's like my friend said, let's buy a beer. Kevin, let's go to the store. I said, where is the money? And he said, kuan. Oh, like expression. Kuan is a Bisaya. So, Bisaya is kuan. Maybe your friend Kevin is Bisaya. It's not Tagalog. Zero viewers. I still have a viewer. Hello po.